Welcome back to Bike Hub, your home for all things roaring on two wheels. Today, we bring you something truly iconic, a name that disappeared and left a cult behind. After years of silence, Harley Davidson has done the unthinkable. The Bad Boy is back. And not just back, but reborn, reimagined, and re-engineered for the roads of 2025. In today's deep dive, we uncover everything you need to know about the 2025 Harley Davidson Bad Boy, from design and specs to tech and legacy. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a message. Loud, proud, and unapologetically Harley. The return of a rebel. First introduced in the mid-1990s, the original Harley Davidson Bad Boy was a softtail Springer that defined attitude. Blacked out, muscular, and distinct with its Springer front end, it stood out in a lineup dominated by chrome and shine. It wasn't just a bike, it was a statement, raw, minimalist, and dark as night. But like all legends, the Bad Boy vanished, leaving behind a loyal following and unanswered prayers. For decades, fans hoped for a return, and now, in 2025, that hope turns to throttle-twisting reality. Design philosophy. The 2025 Bad Boy doesn't just nod to the past, it grabs it by the collar and drags it into the future. Harley Davidson has taken the classic silhouette and added a modern, sinister twist. Matte black dominates the aesthetic, with minimal chrome accents. A low-slung stance, fat tires, and beefed-up frame exude menace. Gone is the Springer front end, replaced with a beefy inverted front fork that screams performance. A solo bobber-style seat adds to the aggressive attitude, while chopped fenders and a drag-style handlebar keep the rider in command. Every element is designed to say one thing: this bike doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Powertrain. At the heart of the new Bad Boy lies Harley's Milwaukee 8117 V-twin, tuned for torque and soul-shaking grunt. Delivering 106 HP and 125 lb-ft of torque, the engine isn't just powerful, it's raw, visceral, and built for real riders. Harley claims the 2025 Bad Boy can go 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, but speed isn't the point here. It's the feel, that low-end punch, that signature Harley rumble, the vibration that tells you you're not just on a bike, you're on a machine built to conquer. The engine is paired with a 6-speed cruise drive transmission, optimized for both city crawling and open highway domination. Modern tech. Even rebels evolve. The new Bad Boy comes equipped with a subtle dose of tech, enough to enhance the ride, not distract from it. You get a small, digital LCD display neatly integrated into the bar risers, showing speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. No big touchscreen, no distractions. Just the essentials. Harley's Reflex Defensive Rider System, RDRS, is optional, offering cornering ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control. Think of it as invisible armor for those who still prefer riding without a net. LED lighting all around adds both visibility and attitude, while keyless ignition and USB-C charging port come as standard. Chassis and ride. Underneath that tough exterior is a surprisingly refined ride. The 2025 Bad Boy rides on a softtail chassis, now stiffer and lighter than ever. Front suspension is handled by a 49mm Showa fork, and the rear monoshock is adjustable for preload, letting you tune your ride to perfection. Fat 180mm rear and 130mm front Michelin Scorcher tires hug the pavement, delivering a planted, stable ride. The handling is tight, deliberate, not nimble like a sport bike, but confident and commanding, just like a cruiser should be. Braking is handled by dual front disc brakes and a single rear, with ABS as standard. Soundtrack of a legend. Harley Davidson knows that a Bad Boy has to sound like one. The stock exhaust has been tuned to deliver that deep, throaty, unmistakable Harley note. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it's loud enough to be heard before it's seen. And when you twist the throttle, it growls like it's alive. Want more? Harley offers Screamin' Eagle Stage 1 and 2 kits for those who want to push both sound and performance further into the wild side. Customization, your bad boy. In true Harley fashion, the 2025 Bad Boy is a blank canvas for customization. From ape hangers to sissy bars, blacked-out accessories to performance kits. The aftermarket scene is ready to explode. Harley will also offer factory packages like Street Rebel and Dark Authority, adding parts like mini fairings, chopped mufflers, and solo luggage setup straight from the showroom. Whatever your flavor of rebellion, the Bad Boy is ready to wear it. The target rider. Let's be clear, the 2025 Bad Boy is not built for everyone. It's not a first bike. It's not for the tech-obsessed, nor the weekend warrior. It's built for riders who crave attitude, who appreciate torque over top speed, who understand that style is as important as performance. It's for the rider who doesn't want to blend in, who wants to roll up, kill the engine, and let the silence speak volumes. You don't just ride the Bad Boy. You make an entrance with it. Price and availability. The 2025 Harley Davidson Bad Boy starts at $21,999 for the base model, with optional packages pushing it closer to $26,000. It comes in 3 paint schemes: Midnight Smoke, Matte Black; Iron Crimson, Deep Red Metallic; Battle Gray, Stealthy Matte Silver. Pre-orders start this summer, with deliveries beginning in early fall. Dealerships are already seeing early demand, especially among longtime Harley loyalists and collectors. Comparisons, where it stands. You might ask, where does the Bad Boy sit in today's crowded cruiser world? Against Indian's Chief Dark Horse? Against Honda's Rebel 1100? Or even within Harley's own lineup? The answer is simple: it doesn't compete. It commands. While other bikes chase specs or comfort, the Bad Boy chases something older, deeper: attitude. It's the spiritual successor to a vibe, one Harley hadn't touched in years. This isn't about numbers on paper. It's about presence on the street. The verdict. Bringing back a name like Bad Boy was risky. Expectations were high. And yet, somehow, Harley has delivered. The 2025 Bad Boy is a modern cruiser with soul, a bike that honors its past while riding straight into the future. It doesn't try to be everything. It tries to be one thing, and does it better than anything else on the market: a pure American badass on 2 wheels. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's heavy. But if you're the kind of rider who gets goosebumps from a V-twin rumble and believes motorcycles should feel rebellious, this bike will speak to your soul. Final thoughts. After decades in the shadows, Harley Davidson has resurrected a name that defined a generation. The 2025 Bad Boy is more than a motorcycle, it's a revival, a celebration, and a declaration. It tells the world that Harley isn't just about nostalgia, it's about evolution with attitude. So whether you're a lifelong fan, a returning rider, or a newcomer curious about what real street presence feels like, the Bad Boy is back. And he's never looked meaner. Thanks for joining us at Bike Hub. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest machines, deep dives, and exclusive insider news from the world of motorcycles.